School principal charged with proceeds of crime breach in relation to illegal Clifton land sales. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and when we return we'll have the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It's understood that one person has been charged in relation to the illegal land sales in the vicinity of Clifton in Portmore, St. Catherine. Sue Lynn Ward Brown, a principal, has been charged with the breaches of the Proceeds of Crime Act, the Law Reform Fraudulent Transaction and Special Provision Act, and common law conspiracy to defraud.
I am a builder. I don't like to lick down things. All I have been telling people to do is build. But we cannot build illegally. I can see, the roads are not properly aligned and some boundaries may have to be adjusted. But I am aware that the SCJ, that is the Sugar Company of Jamaica, is putting in place a program, or has put in place a program to regularize. Some of you would have been given letters of possession. The SCJ has literally gone and surveyed the land, and they have subdivided it, and they are in possession of titles. And we shall come back in a few weeks' time to actually distribute your titles. Having toured the area, it is clear that there needs to be some work done on roads. I'm not sure what your water situation is. I hear it is intermittent. Sometimes you have, sometimes you don't. And you do have your electricity poles in, so at least that part of it is solved. You will be connected to the sewage that is being developed in the area. And your water supply will be improved by the water supply that is going to be developed. Well, is already being developed for the area. Your roads, we will seek to do a few of them, but we can't do all of them right away. I am going to be talking to the SCJ to see what we can do in the short term to at least get your main road coming around improved. Now, I do know that the lands adjoining you, not in this community, because this is a community that the government of Jamaica has acknowledged as a legitimate community to be properly regularized. So you have nothing to fear. All right? The government of Jamaica will protect your property rights and will give you your title. You can go to the bank with it. But I am aware that there are others who have sought to occupy lands adjoining this community. And I tell you this, and I'm sharing it in my heart, I am a builder. I don't like to lick down things. All I have been telling people to do is build. But we cannot build illegally. We cannot seek to get property illegally. All of you here are going to become property owners. And it cannot be that someone can just come in your yard and take it away or occupy it illegally. It is a fundamental principle of a free and democratic country that the property rights have to be protected. So for you looking on, you might say, boy, give them a blight. But if you keep doing that, it breaks down the law and order till eventually it is at your doorstep and you wonder why. It is because we didn't draw the line when we should.
Police sources told reporters that there are at least 3 other persons of interest in relation to this matter. Several illegal structures that were constructed and state-owned land were demolished under directive from the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honourable Mr. Andrew Holness. Prime Minister Mr. Andrew Holness told Parliament that many of the properties were purchased from criminals with ties to the Klansman gang which operates in the parish. A number of homes were demolished last week after it was revealed that a number of these homes were constructed illegally on state-owned land. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.